don't get it, Mark. I honestly think I'm blacklisted from the corporate world.
What do you mean blacklisted?
I spent the entire weekend applying for jobs. I sent out 50 applications. 50! And I haven't heard a single thing back. Not even a rejection email, just silence. I have the experience, I have the degree. Am I just unhireable?
Sarah, take a breath. You aren't unhireable. You're just invisible.
Invisible? That sounds worse.
Well, let me ask you a question. Who do you think is reading your resume right now?
Well, the hiring manager or a recruiter, right?
Wrong. A robot is reading it. And right now, that robot hates your resume.
A robot? You mean like AI?
Exactly. It's called an ATS, an Applicant Tracking System. In 2026, almost 99% of Fortune 500 companies use them. Even small businesses use them now. When you hit submit, your resume doesn't go to a human, it goes into a massive database. The ATS scans your document, looks for specific matches, and gives you a score. If you score below 80%, no human ever sets eyes on your application. You go straight to the digital trash can.
Wait, so you're telling me a human never even saw my resume?
Out of those 50 applications? Probably not.
That is so unfair. I spend hours making my resume look perfect. I use this beautiful template from Canva. It has 2 columns. My photo is in the corner. I used a cool script font for my name.
And that is exactly why you failed.
What? Because it looks good?
Because the robot can't read it. Sarah, listen to me. This is the biggest mistake candidates make. They design resumes for human eyes, but they need to design them for robot eyes first. Those fancy columns? The ATS reads them straight across, jumbling your text. That photo? It confuses the parser. That cool script font? It comes out as symbols and gibberish. To the ATS, your resume looks like broken code.
Oh my God. So I've been sending broken code to 50 companies?
Pretty much. But don't worry, we can fix this right now. We need to rebuild your resume using the mirror method.
The mirror method? Is that another one of your formulas?
It is, and it works. The mirror method is simple. You must reflect the exact language of the job description back at the system. You see, the ATS is dumb. It works on keywords. If the job description asks for project management and your resume says, "Led a team," you lose.
But led a team means I did project management.
To a human, yes. To the bot, no match, 0 points. You have to swallow your pride and use their exact words. Let's try an example. Pull up that job listing you really wanted. What is the first bullet point?
Okay, let me check. It says, must have experience with cross-functional collaboration and stakeholder management.
Okay, fancy corporate words. Now look at your resume. What do you have listed under your last job?
It says, worked with different departments to make sure clients were happy.
See? That's the problem. Worked with different departments is weak, and the ATS doesn't know it means cross-functional collaboration. We need to mirror it. How would you rewrite that?
Executed cross-functional collaboration with various departments to ensure stakeholder management.
Boom. You just went from a 0% match to a 100% match on that line. You need to do that for every single major skill listed in the job post.
But, Mark, isn't that cheating or plagiarism?
It's not cheating, Sarah. It's translation. You are translating your skills into the language the company speaks. If you don't use their words, they assume you don't have the experience.
Okay, I get the keywords part, but what about the layout? You said my Canva template was bad. What should I use?
You need the F-pattern layout. Standard, boring, and clean. No columns, no graphs, no rating scales. You know, those little bars where people say they are 5 out of 5 stars in Photoshop.
Yeah, I have those. I thought they looked cool.
Delete them. The ATS reads 5 out of 5 as just the number 5, or it doesn't read it at all. Use a simple standard Word document, black text, white background, Arial, or Calibri font.
That sounds so boring, though.
Boring gets you hired. Creative gets you ignored. Unless you're a graphic designer, nobody wants a pretty resume. They want a readable one.
Okay, standard layout, mirror method for keywords. I saw this trick on TikTok where people copy the entire job description, paste it into their resume in tiny white font so it's invisible, but the robot reads it. Should I do that?
The white fonting hack? No, absolutely not.
Why? You said I need keywords.
Because, Sarah, the goal is to get past the robot to the human. Imagine you trick the robot. You get a 100% match score because you hid the text. The recruiter opens your file, highlights the text, and sees a giant block of hidden nonsense. What do you think happens then?
They realize I tried to trick them.
Exactly. And you go straight to the do not hire list for being dishonest. Don't hack the system. Work with it. Weave the keywords into your actual bullet points naturally.
Okay, so to recap, I need to ditch my fancy layout for a simple one. I need to scan the job description for the money keywords, and then I need to use the mirror method to rewrite my bullet points using those exact words.
You got it. If you do this, Sarah, you won't be applying to 50 jobs and getting silence. You'll apply to 5 jobs and get 3 interviews.
That sounds a lot better than my weekend. I'm going to rewrite it right now. Thanks, Mark.
You're welcome. Now go beat the bot.
I definitely will. I feel so much better having a plan instead of just guessing.
That's the key, Sarah. Most people guess their way through their career, and that's why they get stuck. But you have the script now.
Speaking of scripts, if anyone listening wants to know exactly what to say in the actual interview once they pass the robot, what should they do?
They need to subscribe to the Confidence Script. We are dropping new strategies every single day to help you master interviews, negotiation, and confidence.
So hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right now. Don't leave your career to chance.
Use the script, win the job. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye, everyone.